Hey folks, welcome to the Tellteller Club recording studio and some free R&B. Yeah, R&B. Do you remember R&B? Look, it's still going, I'm sure, but we're all doing other things now, aren't we? So a little bit vintagey sounding, I guess, but only because it's a big fat genre. So these little, I've got two, I think, and they've got legs, guys. They've got legs. So free to use, no royalty, etc., etc. A license to do whatever you want, courtesy of the Tellteller Club, Beats Ministry, and me, I Sutherland. More to come.